let's wrap up actuators and talk about pneumatic actuators. Pneumatic actuators are devices that convert pressure from compressible gases to mechanical energy. Unlike hydraulic actuators, pneumatic actuators are quick and mostly used in applications requiring low force outputs. They are generally easier to maintain and do not produce contaminants like hydraulic actuators. In principle, they work by generating force using gas pressure to move pistons or diaphragms. Types of pneumatic actuators include pneumatic cylinders, used to generate linear motion, and pneumatic motors, used to generate rotary motion. Application of pneumatic actuators include industrial automation, such as robotic grippers, venturi system, pneumatic stoppers, packaging machinery, such as sealing, labeling, and filling machines, materials handling, such as pneumatic lifts and sorting systems. And that's what pneumatic actuators are.